Dopamine, the aggression switch in male mice. When it comes to aggression, dopamine is more than just a feel-good chemical, it's a key player in how male mice decide to throw down. A groundbreaking study published in Nature on January 22, 2025, led by Bing Dai and a team of researchers from New York University, reveals how dopamine in the brain's ventral tegmental area, VTA, influences aggression in male mice. This research not only uncovers the neural mechanisms behind aggressive behavior but also shows how experience can rewire the brain, making dopamine less relevant for seasoned fighters. Aggression is a complex behavior, essential for survival in the animal kingdom. It helps mice defend territory, compete for resources, and secure mates. Previous studies have hinted that dopamine, a neurotransmitter often associated with reward and motivation, plays a role in aggression. But how exactly dopamine influences this behavior has remained a mystery until now. The researchers focused on dopamine-producing cells in the VTA, a brain region known for its role in reward and motivation. Using cutting-edge techniques like optogenetics, using light to control brain cells, and chemogenetics, using drugs to activate or inhibit specific neurons, the team discovered that dopamine's influence on aggression depends heavily on a mouse's fighting experience. The study found that dopamine is crucial for initiating aggression in novice mice, those with little to no fighting experience. When researchers inhibited dopamine production in the VTA, these mice were less likely to attack. Conversely, stimulating dopamine cells made novice mice more aggressive. However, the story changes for expert fighters, mice with extensive fighting experience. In these seasoned brawlers, manipulating dopamine had no effect on their aggressive behavior. They were just as likely to attack, regardless of dopamine levels. This experience-dependent effect is tied to changes in the brain's dorsolateral septum, DLS, a region involved in controlling aggression. In novice mice, dopamine helps weaken local inhibitory circuits in the DLS, allowing excitatory signals from the hippocampus to flow more freely and promote aggression. But in expert mice, these inhibitory circuits naturally weaken over time, reducing the need for dopamine to facilitate aggression. This research sheds light on the neural mechanisms behind aggression and highlights how experience can fundamentally alter brain function. It also provides a potential explanation for why some treatments for aggression in humans, such as dopamine-blocking drugs, may not work for everyone. If the findings translate to humans, they could lead to more targeted therapies for managing aggressive behavior, particularly in individuals with a history of repeated aggression. While the study offers exciting insights, it also raises new questions. For instance, why does dopamine's role diminish in expert fighters? The researchers suggest that repeated fighting may lead to long-term changes in the brain, making it less reliant on dopamine. However, the exact mechanisms behind these changes remain unclear. Additionally, the study focused solely on male mice, leaving open the question of whether dopamine plays a similar role in female aggression. Preliminary findings suggest that dopamine is less important for female aggression, even during maternal aggression, when female mice protect their young. This raises the possibility of sex-specific strategies for managing aggressive behavior. The implications of this research extend beyond the lab. Understanding how dopamine modulates aggression could inform treatments for conditions like intermittent explosive disorder, PTSD, and other aggression-related disorders. It also opens the door to exploring how other neurotransmitters and brain regions contribute to aggressive behavior. In the future, the team plans to investigate whether similar mechanisms are at play in humans and whether targeting dopamine receptors early in life could prevent the escalation of aggression. For now, one thing is clear: dopamine is more than just a reward chemical, it's a key player in the complex dance of aggression.